Colombia, a South American gem, has become a hotspot for men looking to start a new chapter in their lives. It is drawing thousands of men from around the world. But why? Is it just about saving money, or is there something deeper? In this video, we'll uncover the real story behind this growing trend and reveal why so many are choosing to call Colombia home. Let's dive in. Affordability. Living well on less. One of the biggest reasons men are moving to Colombia is how affordable it is. In cities like Medellín, a nice one-bedroom apartment costs $500 to $700 a month, compared to $2,000 or more in places like New York. Eating out is budget-friendly too. A good meal at a restaurant might cost $10 to $15, half of what you'd pay in the US. Groceries, transportation, and even entertainment are much cheaper, letting you live comfortably without financial stress. Take Mark, who moved from Florida to Medellín. He told Business Insider he felt ultra-wealthy because he could afford a cleaner, a chef, and a personal trainer, luxuries he couldn't dream of back home. For many men, especially those on fixed incomes or working remotely, this affordability is a game changer, making Colombia a place where they can thrive. A better quality of life, beauty and balance. Colombia isn't just about saving money, it offers a lifestyle that's hard to beat. The country is breathtaking, with lush coffee plantations, sparkling beaches, and towering mountains. Cities like Medellín, nicknamed the City of Eternal Spring, enjoy perfect weather all year, making outdoor activities a daily joy. The relaxed pace of life is another draw. Unlike the fast-paced grind of Western cities, Colombia encourages a slower, more balanced lifestyle. Men can enjoy cultural festivals, explore historic sites, or simply sip coffee in a vibrant plaza. Plus, the country's biodiversity, home to 20% of the world's bird species, adds to its charm for nature lovers. Jason Bennett, who swapped San Francisco for Medellín, shared with CNN that his stress levels dropped significantly. He felt healthier, happier, and more connected to life in Colombia's vibrant environment. For men seeking a richer, more fulfilling life, Colombia delivers. Feeling safe and secure. A new reality. Colombia's past reputation for crime might raise eyebrows, but the reality today is different. Cities like Medellín and Bogotá have seen massive improvements in safety. For example, Medellín's murder rate fell by 82% from 1993 to 2018, making it safer than some US cities. Expats often say they feel secure walking in well-populated areas, though, like anywhere, caution is still needed in certain spots. Jason's story highlights this shift. He told CNN he feels safer in Medellín than he did in San Francisco. Government efforts to reduce crime have transformed Colombia into a place where men can build a new life with confidence. A warm and welcoming social scene. Building connections. Colombians are known for their warmth and hospitality, making it easy for newcomers to feel at home. The culture values family and community, a refreshing change for men from more individualistic societies. Social events, from local festivals to casual meetups, create opportunities to make friends and integrate. The dating scene is also a draw for some. Colombian women are often described as friendly, family-oriented, and open to relationships with foreigners. However, respect and genuine interest are key. Building meaningful connections takes time, just like anywhere else. Language exchanges, expat groups, and local hangouts make it easy to meet people and create a vibrant social life. Economic opportunities and entrepreneurship. A place to grow. Colombia's growing economy is attracting men with entrepreneurial dreams. The lower cost of living means starting a business, whether in tech, tourism, or real estate, is more affordable than in Western countries. Medellín, in particular, is becoming a startup hub, with co-working spaces and a supportive business community. Remote work is another big factor. With reliable internet and low costs, men can work from Colombia while earning income from abroad. This combination of economic opportunity and affordability is a powerful draw for those looking to build a new career or business. Retirement in Colombia. A dream destination. For men nearing retirement, Colombia is a top choice. The cost of living allows retirees to stretch their savings, and the healthcare system, ranked among the best in Latin America, offers affordable, high-quality care. Private health plans cost around $2,000 a year, giving access to top doctors and hospitals. The pleasant climate and welcoming communities make retirement even more appealing. Wendy and Darren, a couple who moved to Medellín, told International Living they bought an apartment with a pool and gym, living a life they couldn't afford in the U.S. For retirees, Colombia offers a comfortable, fulfilling new chapter. Cultural immersion and adventure. A world of experiences. Colombia's rich culture and diverse landscapes are a magnet for men seeking adventure and personal growth. From the colorful festivals of Bogotá to the serene beaches of Cartagena, there's always something to explore. Outdoor enthusiasts can hike in the Andes, kayak in the Amazon, or dive in the Caribbean. This sense of adventure appeals to men looking to break free from routine. The country's cultural heritage, music, dance, and history adds depth to daily life, making every day an opportunity to learn and grow. Healthcare accessibility, peace of mind. Colombia's healthcare system is a major reason men are moving there. Ranked 22nd globally by the World Health Organization, it offers affordable, high-quality care. Cities like Bogotá and Medellín have some of the best hospitals in Latin America, and medical costs are a fraction of those in the U.S. For example, Mark from Florida praised the healthcare he received in Medellín, which was both excellent and affordable. For men, especially retirees or those with health concerns, this accessibility provides security and confidence. Visa and immigration ease, a smooth transition. Colombia makes moving easy with visa-free entry for many countries, including the US and Canada, for up to 90 days. Special visas for digital nomads and retirees simplify longer stays. These policies reduce the stress of relocation, encouraging men to take the leap. Before moving, it's wise to visit first, explore cities like Medellín or Bogotá, and research visa options. Learning some Spanish also helps, though many locals in tourist areas speak English. The untold truth, addressing the controversy. Some men move to Colombia for dating opportunities, a trend sometimes called passport brothers. This has sparked debate, with critics arguing it can lead to stereotypes or exploitative behavior. However, it's just one part of a bigger picture. Most men move for reasons like affordability, lifestyle, or opportunity, not just relationships. It's important to approach Colombia with respect for its culture and people. The country offers far more than a dating scene. It's a place to build a meaningful life. The expat community and how to make the move, finding your place. Colombia has a thriving expat community, especially in Medellín and Bogotá. Groups on platforms like Meetup or Facebook host events, language classes, and networking opportunities, helping newcomers settle in. Many expats work remotely or start businesses, leveraging the low cost of living. If you're considering the move, start by visiting Colombia for a few weeks. Explore different cities, connect with expat groups, and research visa options. A little planning goes a long way in making Colombia your new home. So, there you have it. The untold truth about why so many men are moving to Colombia. From the affordable lifestyle and stunning beauty to the safety, warmth, and social opportunities, this country offers a fresh start for those looking for something different. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more untold stories from around the world, and leave a comment below. Have you ever thought about moving abroad? What would be your reason? We will see you in the next video.